Hello everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the Lego, let me see, Lego Classic Bring Along Bricks. Now this is the one that has 213 pieces. And
it's my toy.
And it's a gift that Nathaniel got from yesterday's birthday party.
And
yeah.
It's
and do you want to say
me.
thank you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Say it.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright, today we're going to unbox it. Alright, let's see.
Let's box it. Unbox it.
Here.
Oh.
You got it? Up.
Mommy.
You can't touch these scissors. Here.
Mommy. Mommy, safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, so this is the box without the packaging. Right here, this is the packaging right here.
It's yellow.
Look at that. This is cool because it's yellow and orange in the back. If you could see the difference. It's too bright, and it has that red. Oh, bless you. Okay, and this one we still have to remove this tape. Peel the tape off.
Can't see it, but
Let's see.
it's super bright.
Oh,
There it is. One more.
one more.
Okay. Ready?
Now. Yeah.
Okay, Ada's gonna help you.
Here, let me open.
Yes. Yes. Open it.
Whoa!
Wow.
So cool.
So cool. Wow.
Okay, so it has so many pieces. So it all it comes with a total of 213 pieces.
Look, you can actually store them here too.
Yes, exactly.
And
Yes.
it comes with this little thing.
So it comes with
Mommy,
like
my
it has
a
this.
booklet
It comes with a piece.
of ideas you could,
Wow, Mommy, can you
yeah, it comes with ideas you could use.
cut all the
It's,
We're not going to open all of it. Which one do you want to start first?
I'd start with
Why
Mommy,
don't you,
what?
okay, listen up.
That's wood.
Why don't you guys look
What?
at the booklet and see what you want to do, and then we'll open that color if it only needs
No,
maybe
I want
this
to.
kind of color.
Mommy, can
I want to do a flamingo.
That's cool. Let me see the box or the storage. So the storage,
Mommy,
if you open
Mommy, I
it,
want to open
you
all
can
of
actually
No, not all of them. Maybe
put
let's
the dividers. That way,
What about
let's
this
check
one and
something.
this one and this one?
No,
yeah,
let's
this
check
is pretty
something
cool.
first.
See? Look, that way you can separate your colors.
Mommy, I want all the
Oh
colors.
my god.
What? All the colors?
Yeah, all the.
Oh,
Look at that.
Mommy, can all.
This
Can I
one.
have? Mommy, can I have all of them
This one
colors?
is
Yes, of
purple.
course.
So you need to open them.
All of it?
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
look.
To get,
Now I
like,
put all the
all of it.
dividers. Look. Okay, so whenever you guys are done, you can
But
just
Mommy,
put
what?
the dividers here.
See? Mommy.
Hmm. Cool. So this is where you would. Is there only just one?
Yeah, there's
Okay,
only
cool.
one.
There you go. And then we'll just close it when you're done. So,
I want to do this one.
Mommy.
there
What
it
about
is.
the car? Nathaniel, do you want to do the car? We should do the car. Do you want to do
Okay,
the car?
so it would be red. How many colors are the cars?
Oh, yeah. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Red, black, here.
No.
So this one, the black one.
How did you remove this already? You just opened this and then now it's broken?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Seriously,
Nathaniel.
Okay, thankfully it's easy to put on. You just snap it on
I
like that.
did do it.
You want to do this one? Okay. So we gotta find this one, this one.
So if
Yeah.
you guys are not
We need
using the
both of
colors,
And this one.
You need both of these.
oh, you need both of those. Okay, then we're gonna open those.
Can we do orange fish?
Yeah.
Or Nathaniel, we could do.
After we can do orange fish.
Here, use this one as your surface.
We can do
This.
Yeah, we can do this. I have to tell you fish now.
Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and open the bags.
Do you want to do the card? We
I'm thinking there is
Let's
a
just
QR.
open all
Hold
of
on
them.
1 second. I found a QR
What
code
is
in the
it?
plastic bag here. So I'm gonna check and see what
Mommy,
this is for.
Mommy, can we open this and make the orange fish?
Can I just open all of them because I don't want to do.
Mommy, I want to open the. Mommy, I want to.
So 6.
Mommy, I want to do
20. Okay,
orange
let's-
fish. Mommy,
You
can
can do this in the car.
Oh, what?
But mommy, can we do an orange fish? Mommy, I want to do an orange fish.
So I guess if you're missing something, this is the number
Mommy, I
that
want
you
to do
will.
orange fish.
Okay. This is the number. This is the QR code that you want to take to the Lego
Mommy,
store if
I want
ever
to do
you're
an orange fish.
missing pieces.
Mommy, I want to
Yes,
do an
handsome.
orange fish.
Because it tells me just the number.
I want to do an orange fish.
What do you mean orange fish?
Yes,
Is there a fish there?
Yeah.
yeah,
Do you want to do the orange fish?
yeah. Yes,
Okay,
let's
what colors
open
are
all-
the orange fish? This one?
No, mommy, wait, what?
So it's orange and yellow.
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
want
open
a
this.
fish. I want to do that fish.
Not this one. Orange.
Okay, so I'm gonna put all of this here. Hold on. Relax. So all this, you put it together here, okay?
Yeah. This was mine. This was mine.
You can open them.
This was mine. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. I just want to
Please
do
make sure you don't lose the tiny pieces, huh?
I did.
And then make sure all of the orange, green, and yellow go in one bin or one container here.
Yeah.
Right there.
I did. Can I help to make the orange fish, please? Can you do that to me? Can you do it? Can you make the orange fish to me? Can you make the orange fish? Can you make the orange fish to me? And show it. Yellow fish, please.
Oh wait, I think instead you
Oh,
don't have to
wait.
put these together.
Oh, wait, mommy.
All the
Mommy,
because
oh,
look,
wait.
Wait,
still
hold
some-
on.
Mommy,
Why is
Mommy,
orange
wait.
in here?
it was.
It's part
in
of
there.
the red?
Yeah, it's part of
Oh.
it. So
Mommy,
maybe
oh,
we could.
Mommy, wait.
Hey, that's too small. You
Do
need
it
to
like
make sure you
this?
don't lose this little tiny piece right here. Look at that.
I
This is the smallest one. So please don't lose this, okay?
did. Yeah.
Where did you see this? From here?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put it right here now. So you don't lose it.
This one has wheel. Oh wait, no. The eye.
An eye.
This one.
Okay.
Oh no, this one. Oh wait, the eye just came off. Oh. I just got that.
Okay. Don't lose it, handsome. Please keep it in this little area right here. Or make sure you play on the table. Okay? Oops, it's kind of blurry. Sorry, guys.
Oh.
There it is. Okay.
Oh, mommy.
I don't know.
Mommy, it's a fit.
Yeah?
See?
Cool. Okay, let me focus onto the...
I did
There you
try to
go.
figure out how you make this and this with a fish.
Okay.
Can I make it? Can I make it with it?
Okay, hold on. Let me look at the thing really quick to look how to make it. Okay, first you have this piece. I'll put it right there. Okay.
Make
First
the
this
fish.
piece. Oh wait.
And you make the fish.
First this piece. Then
And the big fish.
this one.
Yeah. That, where do you do
That, and then we grab another one of these.
Grab
Wait.
another one.
This one.
Not this one, not this one. Not all of those.
This one. This one. Like this. And then we put an orange piece. Oh, that is cool.
After there's the orange.
No, wait. I need, wait. You don't have another one of those?
After it looks like the fish.
Already?
Yeah.
Wait, are we missing something?
After what? After there's a hole.
Nathaniel, what did you do?
There's a hole.
Did you lose something? Oh, it's right here, okay. This one. But then we also need that orange piece. Just from the red.
Where's the orange piece? It is.
No, it's not that one, Nathaniel. It's this one.
Yeah, that was is missing. That one is missing.
Like this.
And
And then
they
we put the eyes. Eyes are here. We have this one.
I like that.
Or this one. Wait, don't touch them.
No, I don't want that. I don't
Wait.
want this eyes.
Okay.
What's this eye? This eye ready to walk. No! Mommy, close the door.
No. You guys go ahead and play there, okay? I have the video rolling still, okay?
It's not this one. That you cannot do that one. Okay. We're trying to look for the eye. This eye that we want. It's not here.
I like this eye.
What? Wait. Okay, Nathaniel. I still need to find the eye.
Like another one? Another one eye. Like another eye. After you found it. After you found
that's not
another
it.
one.
That's not the right eye though.
But after you found it.
Oh, this one. Okay, there.
Yeah, this is one eye.
Hey, don't stick them onto there. That's not what you do. Oh no, Nathaniel,
Sorry.
don't do that. Here, let me take it out. Don't stick anything on. Then we add eyes. And then we add orange pieces.
Can we make it red? Can we make the toy now?
We're finishing the fish. Okay,
Yeah.
Nathaniel, hold on.
We made the fish. It's your side. Yeah. Oh, you take the orange.
we add this piece. Like this. Yeah. And then
On
this piece
But is that too full?
to there. And then we add another one of these to here. And then we also have
I can make the mess.
Wait, do we not have another one? Oh, was that it? Was there only 3? Oh, wait, here. Okay. And
Wow,
then-
my fish.
Wait, it's not done
What?
yet.
Okay.
Wait, no! No. You lost the page.
I did.
Daniel. Wait, is this it?
What?
Wait, that's it?
That?
That's how you make a fish? Look at the fish, Nathaniel.
Wow, that's
That's
cute.
how you make fish.
I did. Tell me. Oh,
Oh my
I
God,
see.
it popped out.
You just popped it out.
No, it popped out by itself.
Oh.
There. Fishy!
Fishy.
And then you can also do this. Oh, you can't really see it. Okay, wait. Nathaniel. Okay, let me go closer to the camera. Oh, it's not focusing. There you go. There's the fish. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Fishy! And then you can also go like this. With a little fin. There you go. We made fish. Yay! It's a little fishy. This is cute. Yay, we made our first fishy. It's small. See? It's a bit small, but it's cute. What are you making?
I do it. At the time,